So how to remove the windshield. You'll see we've got the nuts here and nuts here. It's quick and easy. Put your knees on there. Alright. And you want to grab the metal bits at the top and then just quickly boom, out and then up. And just rest it down somewhere. How to put the windshield on, the detachable windshield. You got this hook at the top. So rest the bottom one, align and rest the bottom one, gently place it back. Okay, they're both in place. Now you want to give it a firm push at the top and it will magically put the bottom one in place. There we go. Job done.